If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in basic level where you are solving previous year Tripura University questions on definite integral. So in this lecture we will be solving 4 questions starting from question number 1 to 4. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Okay, in question number 1, find a to b log x by x dx. So it is a easy one. So you are asked to find a to b. I am not writing this e because nothing is written in the base, means by default we take it is in e. So it is a simple substitution question. If you see your log x, if you take log x as t, then 1 by x dx will be dt. So if I take log x, let log x equal to t, if you differentiate it, then 1 by x dx equal to dt. But in definite integral you have to change the limit also, because this is the limit for x. Now you have to change the limit because you are changing the variable to t. So if x tends to ta, then what happens to your t? You think if you put x equal to a, then t will be log a. So that means t will be going to log a. If x is tending towards b, if x is going to our upper limit, then t will go its. So in new variable this will be lower limit, this will be upper limit. It will be log a to log b. Log x is t and 1 by x or dx by x is dt. So t integration is t square by 2 and you put your lower limit and upper limit. So it is 1 by 2 log b whole square minus log a whole square. You can keep it as it is or in log, because it is a square minus b square, so it is log b plus log a into log b minus log a. Why I am doing so? Because in log a plus b is log a into b, log a minus b is log a by b. So it will be a little simplified version, it will look good. So this is your answer. You can keep it here also, no issue. Now you have to prove in second one, so that this is equal to this. This is your king rule. A very important rule to prove that king rule. So 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a fa minus x dx. That you have to prove. So what you will take? You will take let x equal to a minus t. Let x equal to a minus t. So the new variable will be dx equal to minus dt. Similarly, now you have to change the limit also. If x is tending to 0, that will implies that means t will go to, if x is equal to 0, then t will be equal to a. If x is going towards a, if it is a, you put it a, then what will be the value of t? A will get cancelled, t will goes to 0. So now lower limit is a, upper limit is 0. So it will be now a to 0, this one I am doing left hand side, forget about this. So if you do LHS and if you put this substitution there, instead of x, what you will put fa minus t, and it is minus dt. So because minus, you can change this limit, because we have seen this property. So it will be 0 to a f of a minus t dt. Now in definite integral, at any time you can change the variable to a new variable. You can change t anytime to x, y, z, whatever. Again, this one is the property, because definite integral is nothing but the area. So that is proved. From property you have used this one also from this property. Using this one substitution we have done this. Next, in question number 3, what it is asked, a alpha to beta, beta minus x into alpha minus x dx. So it is asked alpha to beta, beta minus x into root x minus alpha dx. So if you start with this one, if you take product of alpha beta, if you take this product, it will be a quadratic. Root quadratic, there is a formula, standard formula, so you will apply this one. So if you open it, it will be beta x minus x square minus alpha beta plus alpha into x. If you complete it to make it a perfect square, it will be alpha to beta, and I told you to take the common whatever, because your quadratic term x square should be alone. So if you keep your x square alone, that means you have to take this minus common, then it is alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta dx is always there. Now if you continue this one alpha to beta, then minus, and if you make it a perfect square, it will be x square minus 2 into x into alpha plus beta by 2 plus alpha plus beta by 2 whole square plus alpha beta minus alpha plus beta by 2 whole square. So what it will look like? It will look like minus of x minus alpha plus beta by 2 whole square minus, if you take this one as an LCM, it will be 4 alpha beta minus alpha plus beta whole square. So it will be 4ab minus a plus b whole square. So what is this? A plus b whole square minus 4ab is a minus b whole square. So it will be minus a minus b whole square. So you can take it as this plus and this minus will make it minus, and it will be alpha minus beta whole square. So it will be alpha minus beta by 2 whole square minus x minus alpha plus beta by 2 whole square. So it will be of the format under root a square minus x square. So if we apply that formula, x by 2 under root a square minus x square. So what is a square minus x square? A square minus x square, this entire thing. So entire thing is nothing but this. If I write a square minus b square means I am writing this, because this is simplified as a square minus b square. So if I want to write this whole thing, then I can write this plus a square by 2. The a square is 4. If you divide by 2, it will be 8, and then sin inverse x by a. X is this one, a is this one, and the limit is from alpha to beta. So if you put beta here, it is 0. If you put alpha here, it is 0. So this side will be always 0. No need to take care of that. And you can take this one common, alpha minus beta whole square by 8. You can take common. If you put here this one as beta, so it will be, actually if you simplify, it will be 2 beta 2x minus this. So if you put beta, let me simplify this one for you. So it will be 2x minus alpha minus beta, it will be alpha minus beta. If you put beta, it will be beta minus alpha by alpha minus beta, that is sin inverse minus 1, that is minus pi by 2. Minus, if you put alpha, then it is alpha minus beta by alpha minus beta 1, sin inverse 1, then it is pi by 2. So that means ultimately you will have again minus 2 into pi by 2, so that will be pi. So minus alpha minus beta whole square by 8 into pi is the answer. Next, for question number 4, 2 to 3 dx by x minus 1 under root x square minus 2x. So it is linear under root quad. So for this one I have explained to you, we take the linear one as 1 by z. So you take x minus 1 is equal to 1 by z or 1 by t, whatever. So your dx will be equal to minus 1 by z square dz, and accordingly you have to change the limit also. If x is tending to 2, then z will tends to, if you make it 2, then 2 minus 1 1, so z will be going to 1. If x is going to 3, so 3 minus 1 2, so z will go to 1 by 2. So the limit will change from 1 to 1 by 2, and it will be minus 1 by z square into dz, and it is x minus 1 is 1 by z, so z will go there, and instead of x you have to put 1 by z plus 1. So this z will get cancelled, so you will find z by z into this one. So if you take LCM here, so this will get cancelled. Ultimately what you will left with, to take z square LCM, so this z square will give you 1 by z, that z will get cancelled out with this one, and then so inside the root what will happen, it will be 1 plus 2 minus 1, it is 1, so 1 by z you can think z square, it will be 1 plus z. There is actually 1 2 is there, so it will be 2 by z minus 2. So these and these will get cancelled, not this. So it will be minus 1, so it will be, if you take z square, that will be minus z square. So ultimately you are left with minus 1 to half dz by 1 minus z square under root. So it is sin inverse 1 by z. So it will be minus sin inverse z from 1 to half. So it will be minus sin inverse half is pi by 6 minus sin inverse 1 is pi by 2. So if you do this one, it will pi by 2 minus pi by 6, that is 60 degree, pi by 3 is the answer. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.